Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your April month reading and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in this coming month. Alright, so let's get started. Before that, this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright. And for those who have come from my Instagram account, thanks a lot for joining. Thank you and welcome to the family of YouTube of the Magical Aura, and let's get started now in the detailed version of your reading. So the overall energy in your reading is the 8 of Wands over here. So this is communication. Okay, this tells us taking actions in something. Whatever you are going through, just go and take actions, communicate with the stuff, communicate. If the conflicts are there, try to communicate. Okay, so this tells us about communication, whatever thing is there. In the past energies, we have 6 of Swords in reverse, Page of Cups in reverse, and King of Wands. So it tells us about that there was something in the past, like some kind of issues going on in your life about which you are really feeling reluctant now. You are not able to move forward because of that thing. You are stuck in the past somewhere. Okay, sometimes we don't even know that something is really better. There is some kind of a better opportunity over there, but we just try not to move ahead. All right, because of lack of communication, because of lack of love, lack of confidence in you, lack of motivation in you. So that is why we always see the negative scenario rather than seeing the positive ones. So that is the past energies in your reading. The present energies are King of Swords in reverse, 7 of Pentacles, and 5 of Wands in reverse. So at this moment, you are feeling that your mind is unclear. You are not able to get some stuff. You're not able to clear your mind. You might be a little egotistical at this moment, might be really sharp at words with your family, with your friends, with the people around you, and this is why the conflicts might be arising in your life. So at this moment, what you have to do, you need to be patient. Okay, with the 7 of Pentacles over here, patience is involved, because whatever you have, if you have started a beautiful relationship with someone, you have to give it, you have to give in like a plant. You have to give efficient amount of sunlight, water, love. So that is how a plant grows. So that is how a relationship grows, and it comes like there will be bad, hard times, there will be good times as well. So you have to be patient for anything. Just don't take rash decisions in your life. Just don't take anything like, no, this problem will not ever solve. No, it does not happen like that. The relationship, if you will try to concentrate on the resolutions of the conflicts, you will be in a much better position than avoiding those conflicts or just leaving them as it is. So try to focus on the resolution rather than avoiding or just not taking anything, not taking any step. In the future energies, we have Queen of Swords, 9 of Cups in reverse, and 5 of Swords in reverse. So we have the King of Swords and we have the Queen of Swords. Over here, I'm seeing that there are words which matter a lot. More than emotions, I'm seeing in your energies, Pisces, that words matter a lot in your life at this time. Might be in a relationship, might be in your work life. Okay, so because with whomsoever you communicate, you're not able to communicate properly, either misunderstandings are coming up. So that is why communication is the key at this moment. Okay, with the 8 of Wands. So that is the reason in the month of April, I'm seeing that because of that bad communication, because of that set of unclear things in mind, you are being ungrateful to the universe. So try to be grateful. Okay, with this 9 of Cups in reverse, try to make it upright and try to be grateful to the universe, whatever they are offering you, whatever. Just be thankful for everything, because you did some good deeds. That is why you are here. Okay, so you have to just let go, and I'm seeing that whatever conflicts are coming up in your life at this moment, you are going to resolve in the month of April. They will be resolved, so don't worry. All right, so let's see what are the energies for my Pisces in the month of April. Let's see the detailed version. Why the Eight of Wands is here? Why Eight of Wands is here in the overall energy for my Pisces? Knight of Cups. So this is your energy, Pisces, over here. So this can be something related to love communication, problems in love, or something you are waiting for. You need some communication in some matters of love, we can say. What else do we have? Devil. Okay, so this can be something related to a temporary relationship with in which you are communicating a lot, or it can be somebody with whom you are really attracted to. Okay, so you need communication. Your energy is revolving around all these things. You need a communication. An action is required in this situation of yours. Okay, so why the Six of Swords in reverse is here? Six of Swords in reverse. The past energies. The Tower. Yeah, something happened. Something big happened. It was like something, a bad moment. A moment where you never expect a tower falling. So that is why something happened, like the foundation, it might be built in a wrong foundation, and that is why it just broke. Might be a relationship, it just broke and it just ended all of a sudden. And that is why you are not ready to move on because of this thing. Why the Page of Cups is here? Knight of Wands is here. What else? Yeah, this relationship or this situation involves a lot of passion, a lot of action, love, and stable family. So I feel that if this was a relationship in which you were involved, so it was like you felt that this person is your family, forever family, but it might be just temporary. Yeah. Let me just check. Why King of Wands is here? Judgment. Three of Pentacles. Okay. I feel that all the things were fine till the time the communication happened in a wrong way. Because with the Six of Swords, swords are all about communication and words. Page of Cups all about love. These two things went wrong. Okay, when love and communication they went wrong, they goes wrong, things really start going in a very different area. You're not able to grow, you're not able to think what to do, and that is why you are stuck. You are reluctant to change. Somebody over here is reluctant. Somebody does not want to change themselves, or somebody wants to just think that things are always fine. Okay, ups and downs, they come in life and you have to deal with it. The Judgment Day was there in the past. You could have changed the situation, you could have taken that situation in a positive manner, but because of certain incidents it was not possible. So things really went upside down in past. Let's see your present energies with King of Swords in reverse. The Emperor. Yeah, see the King of Swords in reverse, the language, the communication, the words I told you with the Emperor. Emperor is very egoistical person. He thinks that whatever it's like his way or the highway, all right, my way or the highway. So that is what his energy is with the Emperor. He thinks whatever I said, if I set the rules, it is going to happen that way only. Might be an Aries with whom you are dealing with, does not has to be. So this is somebody, or this can be you as well. You are involved in a different kind of a relationship. If this is a work life, so your boss is really being picky on you, and he's literally picking you always. He's literally torturing you always in every situation, and you have nothing to do rather than just being patient. You have only this thing, Seven of Wands. But yes, you have to fight back. This is what the present energies are telling. You're already doing it. You are patient, you want it, okay, you want this relationship, you want this job, you want to work with this situation, but you want to tell the other person that I have my side as well. So this is why the Seven of Wands is here telling us that my side is also important. You have to listen to me as well. Why the Five of Wands in reverse is here? Ace of Swords here. I think clarity. Queen of Wands. So it might be a Leo you are dealing, or a businessman, businesswoman with whom you are dealing with. Somebody who is very confident, attractive. You need clarity. Because I see that the present situation, the conflicts can be resolved. If the misunderstandings, they go away. If you talk, things will be fine. Why the Queen of Swords is here in the future energies? Page of Swords, wow. And Two of Wands. And what else? Nine of Swords. Okay, so in the coming future, in the coming month of April, things will start really like still not talking, like a mode of, that why should I, that kind of energy, feeling of left out, feeling of grief, feeling of crying, feeling of sadness, feeling of no communication with the person, feeling of lost thoughts, lost ways, lost paths, and no way to go. Very confused energies in the starting of April. Let's see why the Nine of Cups is here in reverse. Okay, wow. So I'm feeling that there's a new communication coming up in the month of April, and this can be like because you have lost all the hopes in the month of April. So it's looking that if you are ready to be grateful for everything you want, you will be really happy. Otherwise, the process is towards the end. The process is ending in whichever you are. The situations will end. The bad times will end. Okay, I'm not talking about just endings. I'm talking about the bad endings. Your time is coming. Wheel of Fortune. The universe has listened to your words, and the universe will help you in whatever you desire. Okay. Five of Swords in reverse. The future energies. The Lovers and Two of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that there is some the imbalance of decision making in the month of April. You are trying to you want to resolve the conflicts, and it will be resolved no matter what. But it's like you have to take a decision first, and then you have to work on it. So in the month of April, and overall, if I would like to tell you, it will be a very busy month, first of all, in your work life. And if we talk about decision making in your life, you have to take some decisions, strong decisions, because the Wheel of Fortune, the wheel is on your side in the month of April, and you will find a lot of clarity in this month. You will find, if you are in the crossroads in career, in finances, in anything, love, relationship, you will find the answers by yourself, because you have a belief that the universe is with you. And although at this moment you might feel ungrateful, but no, the universe is trying to help you out. So just listen to the signs, do not ignore them, and try to resolve the conflicts. All right, so that is all from my side, Pisces. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.